Welcome to Tech Trove. Hi guys, today I talk about the new and enhanced features of the DJI Air3 Drone with RCN2. Make it even easier for content creators to capture complex and high-quality professional footage. The Air 3 now incorporates a dual camera system with wide-angle and 3x medium telephoto lenses for both focusing on subjects and capturing sweeping landscapes. Both have larger 3 inches CMOS sensors that can capture 48 MP images, video up to 4K 100 and even 7K social media ready vertical video. Flight time and transmission range have been increased, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is smoother, and pre-programmed flights are now possible with the inclusion of waypoints. All this and more can be taken to almost any location, as the Air 3 continues to provide a compact and folding design. Stunning professional video up to 4K 100 is possible, in addition to 4K 60 when adding HDR and 7K vertical videos. The 2.4 micrometers pixel size is incorporated into each of the two cameras for improved low-light performance, and 2 color modes are available for speedier post-processing. The 10-bit D-Log-M retains more highlights and details in captured footage for more flexibility when editing, and 10-bit HLG retains a higher dynamic range for excellent results without the need for color grading. 7K vertical video. Both the wide-angle and 3x telephoto cameras are capable of recording clips in 7K with vertical orientation. By saving video directly to this aspect ratio, you save a ton of time in cropping, as each clip is immediately ready for sharing on social media platforms. Flight modes. Using pre-programmed flight modes, beginners can find it easier to execute complex aerial movements and tracking shots, making their footage look much more professional with minimal effort. Professionals also benefit by applying the time they save in execution to other aspects of the shoot or adding additional shots. The DJI Air 3 provides 4 different flight modes. Focus track uses the obstacle avoidance system to stay safe, as it keeps subjects centered in the frame using the 3x telephoto camera. Quick shots. Select from several pre-programmed camera movements to add creativity to your video. Rocket, droney, circle, helix, boomerang, and asteroid. Master shots. Fast and easy cinematic footage is possible with automatic complex camera movements, in addition to editing clips with music, transitions, and effects. Hyperlapse. Select from free, circle, course lock, and waypoint to capture time-lapse video at up to 4K, horizontally, or 7K, vertically. Waypoint is new to the Air 3, letting you plan flight routes and drone actions in advance. These routes are repeatable, making it possible to achieve day-to-night or season-to-season transitions. Night mode. Use this mode to capture noise-free footage at up to 4K 30 resolution in low-light conditions. APS 5.0 obstacle avoidance built-in sensors automatically detect obstacles in any direction during flight. When an object is detected, APS 5.0 takes over to smoothly fly around the obstacle to avoid an accident. Smart RTH. When triggered to come home, the Air 3 can automatically plot an optimized flight route back to base while using the obstacle avoidance system to keep it safe along the way. Additional features up to 46 minutes of flight time. 04 1080p 60 video transmission from up to 12.4 miles away. Spotlight 2.0 active track. 5.0 point of interest. 3.0 OK guy. See you next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Tech Trove YouTube channel for more new exciting videos.